Hello students, I am Radha Kadam and today we have to see 7th Science 5th chapter Acid, Bases and Salts. So in this chapter we have to see what are the acid and bases and how we can find out the food item or anything is contain acid or base according to their taste and mistaste and feel. And some characteristics are also there that we have to consider. Then we have to see what are the natural indicators. Indicator is what by which we can identify that they are acids or the bases. Some natural indicators are there that also we have to see in this chapter. As well as we have to see the neutralization reaction. In the neutralization reaction, how it happens in our everyday life. So this is all about our chapter. So just start with the acid and bases.
So we use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar and vinegar. But what do you think? All they are having the same taste? Obviously not. So see, food stuff that we are consuming, they are broadly classified into acids and base. Some common food stuff such as lemon, cucumber can be distinguished as acid or bases. So how we can distinguish them? So simply on the basis of their taste. See, acids have a characteristic property which is having the means if we want to identify the acid, so we can identify by its taste. So acids have a characteristics or taste. See which food atoms or which substances contain the acid which are having sour in taste. So lemon, curd, orange, if you tested that, so they are having sour in taste, so they are contain the acids. So sour substances such as lemon, curd, oranges all contain the acid. Now see, the term acid actually is derived from a Latin word acid, which means sour. Okay, so it is the Latin word from the acid word is get derived. Its meaning is salt. See, now we will see the table in which the common acids are found. So just take a look. The table is a list of common acids and where they are found. So see, in this table you can see name of acid and where it is found. So acetic acid found in vinegar. Formic acid found in ants' sting. Citric acid found in citrus fruits such as orange, lemon, etc. Lactic acid found in curd. Oxalic acid found in spinach. Then ascorbic acid found in citrus fruits. And tartaric acid found in tamarind, grapes and unripe mangoes. Okay, so in this way you just see how the different kinds of acids we are getting from the different food items. All these things we have seen for the acids. So base, if we consider the base, so bases have a characteristics bitter taste. Means those substances which are having the bitter taste, so they are contain the base. So the bitter substances such as cucumber contain bases. Also a cut slice of cucumber feels slippery because their property is means bases means the substances they are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as the base. So, the substances which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. Bases are therefore bitter in taste and slippery when touched. See, the table contains some more bases where they are found. So, calcium hydroxide found in lime water, ammonium hydroxide found in window cleaner, sodium hydroxide as well as the potassium hydroxide we are able to get in the soap, and the magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. Acids and bases present in food items are safe. They can be easily tasted or touched. So we are eating the food item, so they are very safe. So we can taste it, we can touch it. But some acids such as the hydrochloric acid and bases like the sodium hydroxide can be dangerous. Means although we are aware that acids are having sour taste, base are having bitter in taste, but each and everything we are not able to identify by touching or by eating because they are dangerous one. If touched, they may cause burns also in your skin because acids are, if concentrated acids are there, so they may harm to your body or your skin. It is therefore very important that we use a more scientific way to identify the acids as well as the base. So just take a look. So just we will do revision once again. So acids are sour tasting chemicals commonly found in lemon, tomatoes and curd. Bases are bitter, slippery chemicals found in toothpaste and soap. Thank you.